COVID-19 cases and hospital admissions are rising in some Hampton Roads cities. That's according to new data from the CDC. Angelo Vargas takes a look at where case counts are going up and how a nurse in Virginia Beach is pushing for people to get their shots.
More than 2 years into the COVID-19 pandemic, and some people just want to feel normal again.
People are tired. People are tired of COVID. People are tired of wearing their masks.
Dion Gibbs is a registered nurse and provides COVID-19 vaccinations and test clinics through her healthcare business, Shades of Life. Gibbs says she can test patients like me anywhere from mobile clinics to her place of business in Virginia Beach.
We try to meet them where they are.
Gibbs says she's seen more people testing positive.
So we are seeing an uptick in numbers.
The CDC data shows Chesapeake, Hampton, Newport News, Suffolk, and Virginia Beach are at medium community levels. Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Williamsburg show low community levels. The CDC looks at 3 areas when deciding on a community level. That is new COVID-19 admissions, new cases, and percentage of patients in the hospital. Gibbs says there are many more positive cases out in the community than are being reported.
But I also do believe that we're not seeing the full numbers because we have a lot of people that are testing at home and not required to report.
My test came back negative, but Gibbs wants to remind the public the virus is not gone.
We still have people that are getting sick. We still have individuals who are dying from COVID. I think because of vaccination and because of the boosters, the symptoms are not as severe.
In Virginia Beach, Angelo Vargas, 13 News Now.
And if a city is at a medium community level for COVID-19, the CDC recommends people who are immunocompromised or at high risk to talk to their healthcare providers about how to stay protected. The Biden administration, meanwhile, is preparing for another possible wave of COVID-19 infections in the fall and winter. The White House is hoping to secure COVID funding from Congress. According to the CDC, more than 100,000 new cases are being reported every day, and COVID-related hospitalizations have risen about 24% from the previous week. Well, health experts say this latest surge is due in part to new variants and subvariants, and that vaccination is key.
If you have not gotten vaccinated in the last 5 months, if you have not gotten boosted, you need to go out and do that now.
Children 5 and younger are still not eligible for vaccinations, but Dr. Jha says a decision on that from the FDA could be made in the coming weeks.